Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, you cannot tap on anything, it does not respond. Thanks to this option, your device will simply finish all of the processes and restart the system. So to do that, we have to press the power button, which is right here, and the volume up button together, and wait until we will see the black screen. So let me try to do it, let me press them. And let's ignore the restart option which we've got here, because let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. As you can see, we've got the black screen. Right now we can see the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers and our device will restart basically. And right now we have to wait until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.